Not needed perfect English. Hello everyone, welcome back to your favorite channel, English with Altaf. I'm Ikra.
And I'm Altaf. Today's video is going to be very helpful and interesting because we're going to talk about something very important, why you don't need perfect English to speak confidently.
Yes, that's right. Many learners think they must speak perfect English to communicate, but the truth is, you don't need perfect English. You just need to be clear, confident, and understandable.
Exactly. We're going to explain this idea in a simple way and also share some examples that will help you feel more relaxed about your English journey. So let's begin.
Altaf, many people are afraid of making mistakes in English. Why do you think that happens?
That's a great question. I think it happens because people worry too much about grammar and pronunciation. They think that if they make one small mistake, others will laugh at them or judge them.
Yes, I've noticed that too. But the truth is, even native speakers make mistakes sometimes. The goal of language is communication, not perfection.
Absolutely. Let me give you an example. If you say, "He go to school yesterday," most people will understand what you mean, even though the grammar is not correct.
Exactly. The correct sentence should be, he went to school yesterday. But even if you said it the first way, the message is still clear.
That's the point. If your message is clear, then your English is working. You don't need to be perfect. You need to be understood.
And you need to be brave. If you're always afraid of making mistakes, you will stop yourself from speaking. And if you don't speak, how will you improve?
Well said. Mistakes are not bad. They are a part of learning. The more you speak, the more you improve.
Yes. And it's also helpful to remember that most people are kind. If you make a mistake, they won't laugh. In fact, they might even help you.
That's true. I remember when I was learning English, I made many mistakes, but I kept going. And now I can speak fluently. So don't stop yourself just because your English is not perfect.
Altaf, what would you say to someone who always corrects themselves while speaking?
I would say it's okay to correct yourself sometimes, but don't do it too much. If you stop every second to fix your grammar, your message becomes hard to understand.
Yes. And it also breaks your confidence. It's better to keep going, finish your sentence, and then think about how you can improve next time.
That's great advice. Also, we should focus more on fluency than accuracy in the beginning. If you can speak smoothly, even with a few mistakes, people will still understand you.
Let's give our viewers another example. If someone says, I know like coffee, we can understand it easily, right?
Of course, the correct sentence is, "I don't like coffee," but the meaning is still clear, so it's okay. Your goal is to express your thoughts.
And remember, English is not only about rules, it's about connection. If you can make someone understand your idea, you are already a successful speaker.
Yes, we learn language to connect with people, not to show how smart we are, so stop being afraid of small mistakes.
Some learners compare themselves with others who speak better English. What do you say about that, Altaf?
I say, don't compare. Everyone has a different journey. Focus on your own progress. 1 year ago, maybe you couldn't speak one sentence. Now you can. That's a big achievement.
Yes. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. English is a skill, and all skills take time to grow.
And be kind to yourself. It's okay to be a beginner. Every expert was once a beginner.
That's true. Let's also talk about real-life situations. For example, if you are traveling and you ask, "Where train station?" people will still help you.
Exactly. You don't need to say, "Excuse me, could you please tell me where the train station is?" if you're not ready for that yet. Just say the main words and you will be fine.
That's why we say, perfect English is not needed. What's needed is courage, practice, and a strong desire to learn.
Right? Many people become fluent just by speaking every day, even if they make mistakes.
Yes, and watching English videos, listening to English songs, reading simple books, all these things help.
Iqra. Let's remind our viewers of one important thing. You are learning a new language. That's not easy. So be proud of yourself.
Yes, you are doing something amazing. And don't wait for the day when your English becomes perfect. Start using what you know today.
Start speaking with your friends, your teachers, or even with yourself in the mirror. The more you use English, the better you'll become.
And always remember, fluency comes with practice, not with fear. Mistakes are your friends. Learn from them.
Let's now summarize what we have learned in this video.
We learned that perfect English is not needed to speak confidently. What matters is your message, not your grammar.
We also learned that mistakes are a natural part of learning. Don't fear them. Accept them, learn from them, and keep speaking.
We learned that comparing yourself with others is not helpful. Focus on your own journey and celebrate your progress.
And we saw that even simple English can be powerful. The goal is communication, not perfection.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, English with Altaf.
And remember, speak with confidence. Your English doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be yours. See you in the next video.
Take care and keep learning. Bye for now.
Goodbye.